Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Sunday. It is our new week of couponing, new sale ads, new coupons, new everything. I'm so pumped for this week, y'all. It is just fantastic. We're at CVS to do the deals for this week, and I got some pretty decent CRTs. I also got some pretty decent coupons. We got 3 coupon inserts this week. We have a Smart Source, and then 2 versions of the Save. So both versions of the Save have about the same coupons in it, but a few different coupons in each of them, so that's pretty fun. You guys know I get my coupons from BQ Savings. She does that 2-day FedEx shipping right to my door. I don't have to do anything, no hunting down a newspaper, no wondering why I didn't get certain inserts because of my region. Super fantastic insert service. So if you guys are interested in getting some coupon inserts, my code is coupons with Abby. Use that at checkout, get 10% off your first order, and all of that information is down in the description box. And I highly recommend y'all start ordering your coupons because you will never ever have to fret about going to look for them and wondering why you didn't get a Save insert, why you didn't get a Smart Source. She has it all. She literally has it all by Wednesdays of every week, and you will have it at your door by Friday if you order Wednesdays. So nothing better than that. But we're gonna go in here and do some deals. I'm super excited. I hope they have everything in stock that I want. I have a couple of little money makers happening, some Ibotta rebates, but I'm not gonna go ahead and scan my receipt until tomorrow in case we get a midweek bonus on Ibotta. If you are new to Ibotta, I have all that information down in the description box as well, my referral code and how to sign up, and then you'll get a nice little bonus for doing your first offer on Ibotta with my referral code. Fantastic. So the Google document printable list is down in the description box if you guys want to check that out. Take it in the store with you for frame of reference. And if you are new, welcome. I'm so happy you are here. Our channel is growing, our family is growing, and it's so crazy to me all the time to see so many people interacting with me and seeing that I'm actually helping people save money. It just is so mind-blowing to me that I've made a difference in some of y'all's lives, you know? So welcome if you are new, and if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss another upload. We're gonna go ahead and see how CVS is popping off this week. All right, so our first deal is on the Snuggle fabric softener. They are buy one, get one free this week. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So we're gonna go ahead and buy one of these scent shakes at $5.79 and the other will be free. We're gonna use a $1.50 off a Snuggle CRT, and we're also gonna use a 1 off a 2 Snuggle CRT. So we pay $3.29, get back that $2 extra buck, making it $1.29 or 64 cents each. Not too bad on some Snuggle. We're going to go ahead and do the paparazzi nail. They are 2 for $5 or $2.99 each. And this week they are buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. So we're actually going to go ahead and buy 3 products at $7.99. I have a 3 off of 3 nail polish CRT that will work on these. And I also have a $1 off paparazzi face wipe CRT I sent to my card and forgot to screenshot. But we're going to go ahead and grab 3 of these cuticle creams and pay $3.99. Get back that $4 extra buck, making them completely free. So the Cetaphil this week is buy one, get one 40% off. So we're going to buy one of these lotions at $9.99 and one at $5.99, which is 40% off, which totals us to $15.98. We're going to use a $3.50 off of 15 hand and body lotion CRT, as well as a 6 off of 2 coupon from the 5/16 save. So we would pay $6.48 and get back $4.50 from Ibotta. So $2.25 for each product, making it $1.98 or 99 cents each. So the CoverGirl is spend 15, get a $6 extra buck this week. And when you spend 15, you get a free face mask. My store didn't have any, so it's all good. We're actually going to go ahead and spend 20 so I can use a CRT. We're going to grab 2 of these eye pencils at $6.79 each and use 2 $3 coupons from the 5.9 Smart Source. We're also going to go ahead and grab one of the mascaras priced at $7.29. And we're going to use a $3 digital coupon for that. So we are eligible to use that 6 off of 20 CoverGirl Cosmetics CRT. That'll bring it down to $5.87 we pay out of pocket. Get back that $6 extra buck, making it free and a 13-cent moneymaker. So this deal did not work out because I did not read the coupon very clearly, and my store only had the 9 count of the Compete in stock. So they are $11.79 each, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $5 extra buck. And these $4 off coupons we got from the 516 save, they actually save for 10 count or 8 count, and these are 9. But if you were to purchase these and the coupon were to work, we would use 2 of those $4 coupons, pay $15.58, and get back that $5 extra buck for purchasing 2 participating items. Plus, Ibotta has numerous rebates for the Compede, and these 2 qualify for $5 back on each, making it $10, which would have made the final cost 58 cents. But again, it didn't work out. So we're going to go ahead and do a spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal on participating products. The Poise is included, so we're going to go ahead and grab one of these big boxes at $14.49, and we're going to use a $3 Poise digital coupon for this one. We're also going to grab 2 of these smaller boxes at $6.49 each and use 2 $3 printable coupons from coupons.com that are still available as of today on those. We're also going to use a 5 off of 15 Poise Active CRT, and I was going to try to use a 3 off of 3 tampons, pads, or liners CRT. So that was it for the Poise. I needed one more item to get to that $30 threshold, so we're going to go see what we grab. So to complete the spend 30, we're going to grab one of the Lubriderm lotions at $8.29 and use a $2 digital coupon for this. So we are at $35.76 with all 4 products. After all those coupons and CRTs we discussed previously, we'll be at $16.76, get back that $10 extra buck, making it $6.76 or $1.69 each, which isn't really that bad considering all those Poise pads were pretty pricey. This is the damage for today. I got all my coupons ready, and I'm planning to roll about $45 between extra care bucks and my care pass. So let's go see how everything turned out today. We were out from CVS and checkout was pretty chaotic, I'm not gonna lie. The Compede deal was a no-go because I originally had planned to get the 8 count packs. My store did not carry it, so I went ahead and settled for the 9 count. But the coupon clearly states 10 count or 8 count. It does not include 9 count. So I told her to take that deal out of there, and we were gonna do it separate at first because we heard the coupon beeping, and then when we tried to do it separately, then we realized the coupon is not gonna work on that. So I was like, oh no, we'll just do it another time maybe. And then with the everything else, the Poise deal, the Poise, a part of the spend 30, I had that 3 off of 3 tampons, pads, or liner CRT. It was beeping, and I pretty positive when I checked in store and scanned everything, because I like to scan my items to see what digitals will attach and what CRTs will attach on the CVS app. The 303, I'm pretty positive was attaching to the Poise. It did not attach in store, like at the checkout. And she read through it and she's like, it's not gonna attach, it's not gonna work because this is a different variation of feminine care. And I was like, all right, you know, I don't want to argue. I'll throw in another $3 extra buck to compensate for that $3 CRT not working. But I forgot I mentioned that I was going to use my care pass, so that $3 reduced itself down. I put too much money in, you know? So, of course, I had a $0 subtotal. But we're going to go over there, see when I get home, and see what else went crazy. But everything else, I think, went fine, except the Compede and the Poise was a weird issue. And I definitely think today is a cost. But I'm okay with a small cost for the amount of stuff we got and for the quality of stuff we got. So we're going to get home and see how everything turned out. So this is our CVS haul for today. We did the Cetaphil, Snuggle, Poise, Lubriderm, CoverGirl, and Paparazzi. You do not see the Compede because I mentioned in store and in the car that that deal did not work out because I did not really read the coupon that well when I was trying to exchange my original scenario for those 9 count Compede blister pads. So it's okay. Maybe I'll go back and do that deal later on this week when I do my newbie friendly deals for the week and maybe rework it or somehow. But the Ibotta rebates are phenomenal, so that's why I really wanted to do that deal. So as far as the receipt goes, we have our Snuggle, buy one, get one free, the Cetaphil, buy one, get one 40% off, the CoverGirl, the Paparazzi, they would ring up 2 for $5, and since I added an additional one, it was $2.99. We have 2 of our Poise at $6.49, the Lubriderm at $8.29, and the other Poise at $14.49. All of our coupons. We have 2 of the $3 off should be for the CoverGirl. We have a $3 off. That one was for the Poise, and we should have another $3 off for the Poise. The 6 off 2 for the Cetaphil. We have a $3 digital for the Poise, our $2 digital for the Lubriderm, our $3 digital for the CoverGirl. And then I do believe this is all of our CRTs besides that 3 off 3 pads, tampons, liner CRT that I mentioned was not working for some reason. So yeah, everything came off. I rolled about $43, including my Care Pass. Now you see 37 cents right there. A $3 that I threw in there reduced itself down to 37 cents, but I'm counting that $3 back in because that was money earned, and I just shouldn't have thrown that in there, honestly. I should have just paid that 37 cents balance, but doing math on the spot is not my specialty, so it's all right. I'll just add that $3 back into my cost because, I mean, I've lost $2 doing that, you know? So, of course, the subtotal is 0. Our total was just tax $4.69. I put that on a Fetch Rewards gift card of $5. So we had a total savings of 100%, and we saved $97.16. So $97 worth of product today. It's kind of crazy, you know, when you see like the original price of this stuff, $97 for all this, like that's really like kind of crazy. So as far as extra bucks earned back, I got 2 for the all, 4 for the paparazzi, 6 for the CoverGirl, and 10 for our spend 30 deal. It obviously would have been a lot cheaper if I added the Compede with those Ibotta rebates and they had been the price online. And then the Poise and the Lubriderm, that spend 30 deal, I had to kind of improvise a little bit because, of course, the online pricing not matching the in-store pricing. So definitely, you know, be aware of that. The online price usually never matches the in-store price. I just kind of like to go ahead and, you know, make my breakdowns looking at the online prices so I can get a general idea of what I could be paying around and what the breakdown would be, if that makes sense. So after all of that, plus getting back $4.50 for the Cetaphil, because I'm going to submit my receipt tomorrow to see if I get I bought a midweek bonus. So I already have a offer tracking towards that, so I will submit my receipt tomorrow. I have a total of $10.50 today after all rewards back, which isn't that bad since it was $97 worth of product and down to $10. We have a big box of pads that were actually $14.49. These are $9.99. That's $8.29. Like $10 really is not that bad for all of this, guys. So I'm pretty content with that. It's just not a lot of moneymaker and freebie situations happening at CVS this week. But I definitely think if you have a lot of extra care bucks built up like I did, it's okay to invest a little bit because you get some pretty decent quality items out of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will try to answer you as soon as possible and help you guys score this week at CVS. And of course, I will be doing my newbie friendly deals at CVS this week. For those that don't have maybe the same CRTs or coupons that I may have. So the Google document will be down in the description box like I mentioned before, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye!